to Galaxia's Playhouse. So today we are going to be making chocolate chip cookies, and I want to give a shout out to my friend Alani.
Hey.
So yeah, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so the first thing we're going to add is butter. Do I know the thing? Add the whole thing of butter. And then let's see, we gotta add the brown sugar first. Now let's add the white sugar. Okay, now let's get to mixing. Mix it. See it coming to life. I think I'm done mixing.
What do we
Where
do
I put
next?
it?
You can leave it there or put it in a bowl.
Probably the bowl. Flour.
Flour time. Alright.
Alright, now let's add some baking soda. Now we have to add some cornstarch. Now let's add some salt.
Go, let me see. Can you get it out? Just
Can I get like a fork or something?
smack it fast.
Can I get like a fork? Bro, the bowl keep moving like. Okay, let's see.
And then we got the egg last. Okay, and then I'm gonna crack this egg in there for you. Woo!
Ooh.
Let's go. After that, we should be able to get somewhere, and then we can drop us some chocolate chips and bake. Get that one little crumb out of there, girl.
There we go. Finally. Took a long.
Meanwhile, we're gonna preheat this to 365. Let's go. Okay, so I added in a little vanilla extract in for my good
Ooh, it
flavor.
smells so good.
Exactly. And then we're gonna do a little
Ooh.
drop it. Hold on, a little.
More.
All right, let's mix it, and then we're gonna get them on the plate. Okay, because you're gonna do a little taste test. That's a lot of a taste test, girl. You know what? We're taking this. Open up the refrigerator, please. Because at this rate, that was diabolical. That was diabolical. In the freezer. Oh! Knock the cookie down. You go. Oh, no!
Okay, let's just take this. We can't shove in there.
Get the steak out of there. Oh!
Oh, I feel so good.
Oh my God, the busted lips. Why do we both got a busted? Oh my God, I'm so sorry. Come on, get rid of it all. Damn, bro. That would've busted with a big blade. I'm really like, you ain't telling me you're about to make me look like you. Okay, so I'm sorry, my child.
It's okay.
I'm sorry.
Bro, I was like crying, like I didn't know what you were the big.
I'm so sorry. Okay.
Bro, I thought I was just drooling. It was blood.
You're gonna be rewarded in cookies. My bad.
Just, blur that out.
Christ.
Just put emoji right there.
Alright, so we gotta do 1 and then 2 and then,
So 6 one thing.
yeah, we'll do
So it'll
three.
be 3 rows of 6.
Yeah, because they're gonna expand. So 9 times 10, we're probably gonna have like a cake corn? Because they're so huge.
Huge, I tell you. I think it's gonna go off the thing. It might. Who knows?
Okay. Oh my gosh. Satisfying.
Thank you, maybe?
It's alright, alright. Just a little bit. Because I know what I said.
That's huge.
Not so close. Probably right here. Oh my gosh. And the rest we're gonna put to freeze because I'm sure these are gonna come out huge. And then we'll have some for tomorrow. Woo. Let's see what these look like. Let's see. Y'all, do y'all think that they're gonna come out the same size, or y'all gonna think that they're gonna come out expanded?
I feel like it's gonna come out expanded.
Yeah. Y'all let us know in the comment section.